This is Boat Nirvana Crown with patented sonic arc design. It is creating a lot of hype in the market. I purchased this from Flipkart for 2499 rupees and I have been using it for the last 2 days. After properly testing it, I am uploading this video. And here's the thing you need to know. After that, you can decide whether buying it will be the right decision or not. Inside the box, you get the earbuds, warranty registration QR, Type-C cable, extra ear tips, stickers and some documentations. And the case comes with a premium matte gloss finish available in red, blue and grey color option. This one is blue. It is compact, durable and the best part is this crown and the button, which we will talk about in a while. The buds are also very lightweight and compact. They fit very well in the ears. And as such, you don't feel any discomfort during the long usage. IPX4 splash proof, whether sweat or rain, there is no tension. It feels like premium quality without flagship price. Now let's talk about the rotating crown. It gives super precise volume control and the haptic vibrations are next level. This thing is very good and very innovative because sometime in TWS you get touch volume controls but they don't work that properly. So you can easily do it from here. In the center there is a multifunction button, single press for play, pause or answering calls, double press for rejecting calls, long press to activate Siri or Google Assistant. You can also control the camera shutter using this button. Triple press and hold the third press to lock the case. It prevents accidental presses inside the pocket. Multicolor LED shows battery, calls and ANC status. Now here's the thing. What about the sound quality? It has 10mm drivers but the sound is really good, especially in signature sound mode. It has good bass with balanced output but the vocals and trebles could have been clearer. But if you listen to bass heavy music, you will definitely enjoy this. 50dB hybrid ANC easily mutes low rumbles like AC and flight. It gives solid performance even in high traffic and reduce around 50 to 60% noise. By switching to transparency mode, you can clearly hear surrounding sounds and the transparency mode does not feel robotic. With 6 mic and AINX technology, you can do calling very well even in noisy environments. And it also suppresses noise.
The sound you are listening right now is directly coming from my TWS. So if I am audible, if I am clear, please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video.
Everything gets unlocked through the Boat Hearable app 2.0. There are a lot of things you can customize. You can change the LED colors, customize the button and touch controls, set a custom equalizer, and there is also a special audio option. Although I personally like the signature sound mode. It comes with Google Fast Pair and multi-point connectivity support. You can connect 2 devices at the same time. You can easily play games and edit videos with it. For gamers, Beast Mode reduces latency to 50 ms, which is good for casual level gaming. And you can easily play games and edit videos with this. The case and the buds together gives 30 to 40 hours of playback, 20 hours with ANC on. On only the buds you get 3 to 4 hours of backup, which is low compared to other TWS in this price range. So your battery may get drained in the middle of a web series, but the good thing is that it has fast charging support. With 10 minutes of quick charge, you get 180 minutes of playtime. So my final verdict is the sound quality is good, but the feature given in the case is not that useful. Because I've been traveling with this for a few days and if you keep it in your pocket, the dial keeps moving. So you always have to lock it before putting it in your pocket. And after taking it out, you have to unlock it again to use it. In that case, you can easily take out your phone and control the buds. The dial should have been made a little more rigid so that it does not rotate easily. But instead of this, if they had given an extra mic so that we could talk more clearly during calls, it would have been a game changer. So share your thoughts and if you are thinking of buying it, tell me quickly in the comment section. And if you want good audio under 2000 rupees, you can also choose Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus. Also watch the full review video from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you in the next one.